If your ads aren't converting, it's probably not your targeting, it's your copy. Today, I'll show you exactly how top-performing ads are written and why most businesses get this completely wrong. If you're a business owner or marketer running ads and wondering why clicks don't turn into leads or sales, this video will save you money. I'll break down a simple ad copy framework used by high-performing brands. No hype, no buzzwords. Most ads fail for one reason. They try to talk to everyone, and end up convincing no one. Common mistakes. Too many benefits. Vague promises. No clear pain point. Multiple CTAs in one ad. If your ad sounds like a brand brochure, it's already dead. The number one rule of converting ad copy. High converting ad copy does one thing really well. It makes the reader feel understood. Explain. One audience. One problem. One outcome. Example. We help businesses grow with digital marketing. Struggling to get leads from ads without wasting money? The 4-step ad copy framework. 1. Call out the pain. Your first line should punch, not introduce. Examples. Running ads but not getting leads. Spending money on ads with nothing to show for it? 2. Agitate, briefly. Show them you understand the frustration. You tweak targeting, change creatives, blame the algorithm, but results don't change. 3. Clear promise, not hype. No 10x overnight nonsense. Here's how to write ads that attract qualified leads, without increasing ad spend. 4. One clear CTA. One ad, one action. Examples. Book a free audit. Download the checklist. Send us a message. Multiple CT as equals confused prospects. Before you launch your next ad, ask yourself, is this speaking to one person? Is the problem obvious in 3 seconds? Is the next step crystal clear? That's how top marketers write ads that scale. If this helped, subscribe for more real-world marketing strategies.